The new abortion law signed by Governor Greg Abbott this week not only bans abortions after a fetal heartbeat is heard in the womb, it also provides a legal remedy to those who object to an illegally performed abortion. This expansion of abortion limits into the courtroom is a new approach that appeals to right-to-life supporters, but worries those fighting for abortion rights. Ursula Perry explains both sides believe lives are at stake.
Abortion is essential health care, and without it, people will die.
And it's going to save thousands of lives in Texas. So we're really excited.
The signing of the new Texas abortion restrictions is a first-of-its-kind provision, offering private citizens the right to sue abortion providers and or those who help to get an abortion performed outside of the fetal heartbeat criteria. But that would leave all others, family members, abortion rights supporters, rape crisis counselors, and medical professionals. They all could be open to lawsuits, as well as be forced to pay at least $10,000 and attorney's fees if they lose.
Clinics, nurses, doctors, friends and family of people who may have sought an abortion. It opens them up to frivolous, harassing lawsuits.
It also will add a new type of lawsuit into the already pandemic backlogged court system, where those legal claims could be filed literally by anyone.
The lawsuits that are brought are going to still have to meet those legal standards. And so some of them will certainly be upheld and go through, and some will probably be dismissed.
Right now, Texas allows abortion up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. The new fetal heartbeat law goes into effect on September 1st. Between now and then, it's expected there will be a slew of legal challenges being teed up all across the country, not only for this law in Texas, but those across the country that were recently passed. Eventually, some of them ending up in the Supreme Court. Ursula Perry, KSAT 12 News.